Today we'll do toy reveal 11 or 12, I don't know.
Opening
Toy reveal. So, yeah, let's get started. Okay, so the first, remember this Dino Fossil toy from,
Is it the code?
Oh, sorry, from the last video, but I'm going to show you what I got.
Oh.
So, yeah, so here's my dinosaur. On the guide it says I'm a Tyrannosaurus.
This is the finals.
Yeah, that's the final. Here's the little guide. There's other people. And here's the container, and inside is the sheet, and it tells you the instructions and stuff and how to recycle the sand you get.
So here's the 360 view of the dinosaur. It's really tiny.
Well, anyways, and it came with these two tools. Brush and whatever, a shipper. So yeah, that's the Dino kit thing.
Update.
The next thing we got is Melty Creatures. And I got Target for
really
$1. So yeah, let's open it.
You did it.
So it's the skeleton version, and you can see the bones. But here's the putty.
Plastic on it?
I don't know. I'm gonna open the putty. So here is the putty.
It's a black putty.
Yeah.
It's not slime though.
Yeah, it says it's putty. Yay! And we're going to make a melty creature with it. Here's the melty creature.
Yeah, we're going to put it in background so you can see it melt.
Yeah, but please pay attention to the other things too.
Yeah.
Next thing we got is...
This is from Target, and it was $1. I got many more, but it's Eek, you've been slime.
And it's a cat in the slime in the cat.
It's a cat container.
Okay. So here's what it looks like. It's in plastic.
So yeah.
Yeah. Let's open it. Yay!
See, it says Eek, you've been slime.
And then here's the putty. Black. It's also black as this.
Yeah.
But it's more softer. It's pokier. Let's show.
It isn't slime though, so.
Yeah,
It
it's
is
putty. Next thing we got is this Kangaroo egg.
It's a normal one.
Yeah, it's the original. Okay. Maybe opening it.
There's the spoon for the treat.
Yeah, this is the treat section. Oh, let's see what I got already.
You got a robot.
Yeah, let's show. And coincidentally, I already have this one, but I didn't open it on the video. So I'm going to build it and show it for you guys.
There you go.
So here it is.
Yeah.
I'm going to stand it right next to Melty
And this is how you can make a stage dummy for your robot.
Gonna be sick. Look, the Melty creature's melting.
Yeah, but you're pushing it back.
Oh, anyways, next thing we have is
Squeezy Yums. Jiggly Pals.
You see?
I don't know if we made a video like them.
Okay. Come out, little squeezies.
The package has what you can collect.
Yes, some of it.
So you... Here's a dinosaur.
It's a pink one.
It's a pencil.
Stretch it. Yeah, it's a pencil.
It says out to stretch yours too.
Here's the bunny.
It's a bunny.
Yay!
It's like these cat ones.
Okay, now next.
We have another one.
Squeezy yum. Let's see which one
It's
we have.
gummy feel.
Yeah, and it really does feel like gummy. Ah! Oh!
It's a unicorn and a duck.
Oh!
Looks like a rubber duck for that one.
Yeah, it's
Squash.
squeak, squeak. It's squishy. And this is a unicorn one.
And it's a pencil topper.
Yeah.
That's also squash.
Rena also has this.
I have this. I have that one, so we both have one.
Yay!
Just
It's really soft and squishy. Oh, I'm stuck.
now. Okay.
Well, anyways, guys, yes, all we got for today.
Yeah, that's all we got.
Hope you enjoyed
the
the
video.
video.